Okay, grade 4. Here we have the map of the world. Okay, it's a huge map of the world, and let's have a look at the bodies of water. We're going to look at the lines around the earth, or the imaginary lines, or the axis of the world, and also about the continents. Okay, so let's have a look. I have numbered all these circles from 1 to 9, and then we have the 3 main lines of the earth. So let's have a look at number 1. This is called an ocean. What is this ocean called? Number 1 would be what? It would be the South Atlantic Ocean. Why do we call it the South Atlantic Ocean? Because it lies on the southern part of, it lies south of the equator. Okay, so this would be the South Atlantic Ocean. Okay, the number 1 is South Atlantic Ocean. Let's have a look at number 2. It is, what is number 2? It is a bay, okay, and that is known, that's in North America, and that is known as the Hudson Bay. The Hudson Bay, okay, the Hudson Bay. Let's have a look at number 3. Now we have the South Atlantic Ocean, but now we have the South Pacific Ocean. The South Pacific Ocean. Let's have a look at number 4. It is a sea between Saudi Arabia and India. So we have the UAE on this side, and we have India there. So what kind of sea is that? That would be the Arabian Sea. Why do we call it the Arabian Sea? Because it's close to Arabia. It's Saudi Arabia, okay? The country there is Saudi Arabia, and that's why we call it the Arabian Sea, because it's very close to the Arabian countries. So let's have a look at number 5. Number 5 will be between the ocean will be between Africa and Asian countries. So number 5 would be the Indian Ocean. I'm going to write it over here for you guys. Can you see on the video? Let's have a look. Yes. So number 5 would be the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. Why do we call it the Indian Ocean? Because it's below India. You understand? So the Arabian Sea is referred to Arabia, Saudi Arabia. It's a country. And the Indian Ocean, it refers back to the country of India. Okay. So remember that, guys. The sea below India, the ocean below India is the Indian Ocean, and the sea between India and Saudi Arabia is the Arabian Sea. Let's have a look at number 6. Number 6 is between India and Asia and Myanmar. That would be between India and Asia, like Thailand and Myanmar or Burma, and that is the Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal. That would be the Bay of Bengal. That is between India and Myanmar and Thailand. And even Indonesia, I see. Let's have a look at number 7. Remember, guys, we have the South Atlantic Ocean, but we also have the North Atlantic Ocean. Why do we say it's a North Atlantic Ocean because it's north of the equator. Anything above the equator is north. Anything that's below the equator is south. That's why we have South Africa, because the South Africa is the southern part of Africa. It's below the equator. So we have the North Indian Ocean. Okay, the North Indian Ocean. Let's have a look at number 8. Number 8 is above the equator, so we call it the North Pacific Ocean. The North Pacific Ocean is an ocean between the USA and Asia. So we have Asia over here, we have America over here. So it is an ocean between the Asian countries and as well as America. So we have like Russia, China, Japan, Australia. Even Australia is also a Pacific country. So it is the North Pacific Ocean is between America and Asia. So it's the North Pacific Ocean. Now let's have a look at the last one, number 9. We have also the Gulf of Mexico. Because why do we call it the Gulf of Mexico? Because it's very close to Mexico. So the Gulf is surrounded by 3 mainlands, which will be the United States, Mexico, and Guatemala. So that would be the Gulf of Mexico. The Gulf of Mexico. Now these are the names, which is very, very important, because in the test you will have this and I will not give you the names. You need to know it off by head by studying. Go onto Google Maps and go and study it. Okay, you check on your cell phone, check on the internet, go to Google Maps. Google Maps and type in all these vocabularies. So even you can write it down or take a screenshot of the video. And please guys, get familiar yourself with these names, because you will have it in the test. In the previous test I have given you where you can choose, but this time you cannot choose. You need to know it off by head like a parrot. And guys, the best way to learn these things outside the video is go onto Google Maps and type in the names so you can see where they are located on planet Earth. Okay, let's have a look at the next one. Number 10 is a circle. Remember, Arctic and Arctic, because Antarctica is at the bottom and we have the Arctic at the top. So it will be the Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. We also have a line that divides the Earth into the south from the north, and that will be the equator. And we also have an Antarctic Circle, which is the okay, boys and girls, so these are all the bodies of water and the lines, okay guys? But also very important, you need to know your continents. What are the continents? We have America, North America and South America, which are 2 continents. We have Africa, Asia and Australia. Those are that's the most important continents you need to know is North America, South America is two continents. We have the continent of Africa and we have Asia. Asia, okay? The difference between a country and Asia or and a continent, the difference between a continent and a country is a continent is a very big piece of land with countries inside. Like Asia got India, Iran, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, Russia, China, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Myanmar. Those are the Asian continent with many countries inside. Okay guys, so that will be the video for bodies of water, and then we will continue with the next one about weathering, deposition and erosion.